Do you ever feel like you're doing all the healing and training, yet something still isn't working? You're passionate, intuitive, and gifted, but you want more clarity, structure, and support to bring it all together. That's exactly why we created the Be in Your Heart Mastery Circle, a sacred field for healers, therapists, and coaches to grow personally, professionally, and spiritually. To be in your heart means doing what you love with people you love in places you love all day, every day. Through our three transformational portals, Align, Create, and Rise, you'll walk a complete path of evolution. Align helps you heal and reconnect to your truth. Start with your free STT assessment, monthly therapy, and guided courses like the 7 STT Secrets and the Shamanic Awakening Foundation to restore balance and vitality. Create turns your purpose into prosperity. Discover your superhero story, design your unique method, and build aligned offers, retreats, and programs using our Business Vault and AI tools. Rise helps you scale with soul. Access the Be in Your Heart Tech Hub, an all-in-one system for websites, automations, funnels, emails, and marketing, plus live training and real human support so that you can grow without burnout or tech overwhelm. You'll be surrounded by a heart-led community that celebrates your wins, holds you in the wobble, and walks beside you every step of the way. Start today with your free STT assessment and first month free. Because when you're in your heart, everything flows.